Today, I'm going to show you why AI automation isn't just a future concept. It's a critical business strategy happening right now. And if you're not adapting, you're systematically reducing your competitive edge. I first want you to picture two businesses sitting side by side. One is wrestling with endless manual tasks and struggling to stay competitive. The other, they've embraced AI automation and are systematically breaking through performance barriers. Which business would you rather lead? Well, and as you may guess, the latter represents an undeniable shift in business performance. To illustrate this, let me share some transformative numbers. Firstly, the AI market is projected to reach $190 billion in 2025, and 70% of organizations will use AI to enhance employee productivity. And ultimately, AI could deliver a 13% boost to global economic activity by 2030. And these aren't just statistics. They show that AI is a roadmap for business transformation, and it's not all hype, but only when implemented correctly. Now, almost every business today faces three critical challenges. Firstly, intense competition, meaning they're struggling to stand out in a crowded marketplace. Secondly, numerous operational inefficiencies. They're losing time to repetitive and low-value tasks. And finally, limited growth potential. They're struggling to scale without proportional resource increases. But what if I told you there is a strategic solution? And AI automation isn't just a passing trend or buzzword. It represents a fundamental shift in how businesses operate. Here, we're talking about eliminating repetitive administrative tasks, generating high-quality leads systematically, optimizing operations in real time, and providing actionable and data-driven insights. And here's the more compelling part. 93% of small business owners confirm that AI tools offer cost-effective solutions that drive savings and improve profitability. This is undeniable and extremely exciting. Now let's break down how AI automation transforms some key business domains. Firstly, for sales optimization, it provides intelligent lead generation, predictive performance analytics, and personalized customer interaction strategies, which achieves what? Well, higher conversion rates and revenue acceleration. And secondly, for marketing effectiveness, it offers advanced conversational AI, dynamic campaign optimization, and precise customer segmentation. And its outcome, enhanced engagement and targeted messaging. And for operational excellence, it facilitates automated reporting and scheduling, strategic, insight-driven decision-making, and resource allocation optimization, which all reduces costs while increasing operational efficiency. I now want to dispel an important and common misconception around AI. Successful AI implementation isn't about replacing your team. It's about empowering them through a structured approach. And I want to now be direct. Businesses that delay AI adoption risk becoming increasingly irrelevant. And to paint a picture, you should consider these eye-opening statistics around what we're seeing AI implementation provide businesses worldwide. Firstly, a 40% potential cost reduction. Secondly, a 35% annual productivity increase. And thirdly, a 90% reduction in human error rates. As you can likely see, every moment of hesitation is a moment that your competitors are becoming more efficient, intelligent, and adaptive. Now, after hearing all of this, and if you're prepared to dramatically improve business productivity, maximize your return on investment, future-proof your organizational capabilities, then I suggest that you follow these 4 steps, which we use in working with our clients, and I suggest that you do the same as your immediate action plan. Firstly, a detailed mapping and audit of your current processes. This step will help you to better understand your current workflows at the highest detail possible. It should highlight any manual and repetitive tasks, and this is the most vital step. Secondly, opportunity identification. Once your processes are fully mapped out, you'll be able to pinpoint high-impact automation areas. These include tasks that are consuming excessive amounts of your time that should not require human intervention. Thirdly, custom solution developments. With your processes mapped out and opportunities identified, you can then build your tailored AI integrations. Each solution should plug into the softwares that you use and remain consistent with your brand identity. And lastly, continuous optimization. When your business evolves, so should your solutions. Measurements and iterations are crucial, and you should continuously optimize your approach, collect data, and reiterate where appropriate. Throughout this process, it's important that you research AI automation solutions in order to best understand the potential applications specific to your business, as well as which softwares are most appropriate to enhance your workflows. And overall, you should start small. I suggest beginning with one of or the most high impact areas which will pull the greatest levers in your business. All of this can sound daunting, but we can help you through it all. Because overall, I don't want you to simply observe the transformation. Instead, you should be part of it. And remember, innovation isn't waiting. The only question is, are you? I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. If you want to see more insightful content like this, hit the like and subscribe and keep up to date with AI and how it can benefit your business.